19,092,017 163,322 Back to Ireland Home Update 9:32 p.m. The man who died following a farming accident in Company Wexford has been named locally as Martin Keogh Jr. RTE Acute have reported that Mr. Keogh, who has a very young family, was a former national ploughing champion. His father was also once the world ploughing champion. Earlier, a 33-year-old man has died following a farm accident in Company Wexford. The man is believed to have died in a molasses tank around 12:30 p.m. today. He was pronounced dead at the scene. Our emergency services are still at the scene at the farm in Fowkes Mills. His body has been removed to University Hospital in Waterford for a post-mortem examination. The Health and Safety Authority has been notified. Meanwhile, a man believed to be in his 80s has been airlifted to hospital after an accident at his house near Ballica Lane in Wexford. It is understood the man is in a critical condition.